Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful square that has the leaf inside of it. My name is Kauthar. If this is your first time here, and I'm Nigeria's crochet queen. If you love to be able to crochet anything, even if there's no pattern to follow, my channel is the best place for you because I teach you how you can create original crochet pieces of your own. When we say a crochet piece is original, that means you came up with the design yourself and you brought it to life yourself, not like you're working with somebody else's pattern. So if this is something you crave, to be able to crochet anything you think about without having to look for a pattern to follow, make sure you click on the subscribe button down below so that you don't miss out on any one of my videos, as I can assure you that they'll really help you on your journey. In today's video, we're going to be looking at how to make this beautiful square. It's a very small square, but there are different things you can make with it. You can use a very thin yarn for this square and use it as an earring. It will be really lovely as earrings. You need to use a very thin yarn though, so that it's not this big. Or you can just make a lot of these squares with a medium waist yarn and join them together to get a bigger crochet fabric. For example, you can make lots of this and join everything together to form a crochet blanket or a crochet cardigan or a sweater. Like, there are so many different things you could do, or just off of the back of knowing how to make this. In fact, I have a tutorial planned for later in the month where I'm going to be showing you how I joined different granny squares together to make a crochet seat cover. That tutorial is coming. Stay tuned so that you don't miss it. If you're already a crochet business owner, you already sell crochet pieces, I have a free guide that can help you make money, that can help you make consistent income from your crochet business on a regular basis. Click the link in the description box down below if you like to get this guide. It's a free guide and it has a detailed step-by-step information of what you need to do on a regular basis to be able to earn money from your crochet business. Even if you've not started your crochet business but you're looking at starting, definitely get the guide, as it will let you know the things to concentrate and focus on to be able to get started on the right foot. Now let's begin the tutorial. To begin, I'm going to chain 14. 1 2 3 13 14. Now that I have 14 chains, I'm going to work a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. In the next chain, I work a single crochet again. Then I work a half double crochet in the next chain. In the next chain, I work a double crochet. And then I work 5 treble crochets. Treble crochet is yarn over twice. Set your hook into the space, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. I work this treble crochet 5 times. So here's what we have right now. The 5 treble crochets were done in each chain. So 1 treble crochet in one chain, 1 treble crochet in the next chain until you have 5. So work a double crochet in the next chain, a half double crochet in the next, and then 2 single crochets in the last 2 chains. So we have this right now. We are then going to work on the other side of our chain right here. And to begin, we're going to work 2 more single crochets in this very last chain. Now we've turned our work to be able to work on the other side of the chain like this. What we're going to do now is a single crochet in the next chain, which is this one here. It's single crochet in there. then a half double crochet in the next chain, double crochet in the next chain. Now we do the 5 treble crochets from the next chain. 1, go into the next chain for the second one, 2, 3, 4, then the last one, 5. We have this now. Then we're going to do a double crochet in the next chain, a half double crochet in the next chain, then 2 single crochets in the last 2 chains. 1, 2. And now we're going to do an extra single crochet in this last space, so it's easy to join. And that brings us to the end of round 1. We're going to join this last single crochet to the first single crochet that we did at the beginning of this round, this one right here. And because I want to change color for the second round, I'm going to join with a new color. So I put my hook into the new stitch, into the first single crochet, and I do a slip stitch with the new yarn I want to join to this. All right, I have my new yarn here, and I'm going to finish my slip stitch with the new yarn. Okay, to begin round 2, which is the last round of this simple square, do a chain 1, single crochet in the first single crochet here. Now half double crochet in the next 2 stitches here, 1, half double crochet in the next, then double crochet in the next 2, so a double crochet in this stitch, another double crochet in the next stitch, now we do 2 treble crochets in this stitch. In this next stitch we work 2 treble crochets in there. 1, in this same stitch we go for another treble crochet, 2. So we have this. In this next stitch we do a double treble crochet, so double treble crochet, chain 1, double treble crochet, all in this next stitch. Let me show you. A double treble crochet is yarn over 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Insert your hook into that next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. This is a double treble crochet. Then chain 1 and do another double treble crochet in this same stitch, yarn over 3 times for a double treble crochet. Okay, we have this now. Now we're going to go back, we're going to go into the next stitch and work 2 treble crochets. Treble crochets, yarn over 2 times. One, we work a second treble crochet in here, 2, then we do 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, a double crochet in the next stitch. Next is 2 half double crochets, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, another half double crochet in the next stitch, and single crochet in the next stitch. Then in the next single crochet we do a single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, all in that space there. Now work a single crochet in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1, 2, 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, 1, 2. In the next stitch we do 2 treble crochets, 1, the second treble crochet in that same stitch. In the next stitch we do a double treble crochet, which is yarn over 3 times, chain 1, double treble in this same stitch. In the next stitch we do 2 treble crochets, like this, and then we do 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. A half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, a single crochet in the next stitch, and in the next stitch we do a single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, all in that stitch. And to end the row, we're going to slip stitch to the first single crochet that we did at the beginning of the round, chain 1, and then fasten off. It has the leaf motif. It is really pretty, and I'm going to show you what you can use this for. Like, you can use this for a crochet seat cover. You can actually join all this together and form maybe a blanket or any big crochet fabric. Just make a lot of these squares in different colors, join them together to make, you know, a really big crochet fabric. If you want to learn how to use the different crochet stitches I share on my channel for a crochet project, you can join my Patreon, where I teach you how to modify different crochet stitches. There's a link in my description box that will take you straight to my Patreon page, and you're going to read more about the different things I teach there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more crochet tutorials, and I'll see you in my very next video. Stay safe. Bye.